So today we're working on this Tesla Model S. This customer's getting it ready for sale, and there's a couple of issues on the hood we're going to try to correct. First off, you can see this big mark here, big old scuff mark. There's another one here. I think this one's too deep to sand out, but we'll try. Another little mark here. And then there's a huge scratch right here. See that arc? And it goes clear up to here. They were washing it, standing right here, had some dirt in their mitt and went like that, and it just made a huge arc. So anyway, in addition to just detailing the whole car, we're going to see if we can get rid of all these marks and improve this hood. You can see some other little blemishes and stuff in the paint. There's another scratch right here. Same thing from a wash mitt, like that. So we're gonna polish it up and see what we can do. All right, so here's our Tesla hood that we've polished. Trying to get those scratches out. They came out really well, actually better than I anticipated. The only couple of, the one really bad one right there. See that in the light when I move it? But that actually is pretty hard to see, especially in natural sunlight. It's even harder than under these shop lights. The big scratch right here. Again, you have to have the high power lights to even see it. Once it's out in the sun, I mean, you can see how it just disappears in these areas here. So that came out really well. And then the same thing with these guys over here. I think if you get one in the light just right, yeah, right there. But again, these are ultra high power LEDs, so but yeah, it came out really well. Shines like crazy.